Hey guys, it's Serena. And for today's video, I'm going to be filming a simple get ready with me style video for Valentine's Day. I wanted to show you guys a really like last minute look that you guys can do. Like if someone calls you today, your man calls you today, yo side nigga call you today. No, I'm playing y'all, but if anybody calls you today or hits you up and is like, do you want to go out, and it's last minute, I gave you guys a really simple and easy look to do. A really pretty a really pretty red lip. You guys can switch up the lip if you guys want. You don't have to do red, but I just did red because, you know, red V-Day. Yeah, so a pretty red lip, cute golden like simple eye. I curled my hair and I showed you guys an outfit, so it's a all 3-in-1 get ready with me. So yeah, you guys, without rambling on, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have a very safe and happy and loving Valentine's Day and spend it with the people that you love the most. No matter if you have a boyfriend, girlfriend, best friend, you're loving yourself, anything you want to do on this day, do it, and whatever makes you happy, do it. Before you guys leave this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also click those bell notification buttons to be notified every time your girl posts a new video. Also follow me on all my social media sites, so it'll be linked down below in the down bar as well as the end card of this video. If you don't follow your girl on Instagram, what is you doing, sis? What is you doing? And without further ado, let's just get on to this get ready with me for Valentine's Day. Alright y'all, now starting out with my hair, I'm going to be curling it. So first I'm going to be showing y'all my hair, you know, straight or whatever. This hair is 24 inches from Kendra's Boutique. I will have the details down below in the down bar of where you guys can get it if you'd like, but I'm just going to be brushing it out. It's the Brazilian loose wave hair, but I had it straightened, so now I'm going to curl it, but it is naturally curly. So I'm just going to take this Tresemme heat protectant, put some in my hand, and then just put it throughout the ends of my hair mostly, just because I don't want my ends to be dead or anything like that or get fried. So I'm putting that at the bottom. Any heat protectant will work, and then I'm just going to be brushing it out. Now I just split my hair one side on each of my shoulders and put it in a little ponytail. Now to curl my hair, I'm going to be using my Numi wand. It's just this pink one. I believe I got it from like Ross or something, but I know Numi has a website. But I'm just going to split my hair in half and then put the other part of my hair up on the top of my head. And my freaking clip broke. I'm hella clumsy, bruh. But yeah, so I'm just going to put the top of my hair up on that side and use my Numi wand. I just turned it on. I don't know if there's a specific degree setting, but I just flipped it on. And then I'm just going to be putting it on my hair and twirling it backwards. I know some people like to do their curls backwards and frontwards and just switch it vice versa, but for my curls I just like to leave it on for about 20 seconds or so and then let it go. But there's not really a specific way. Some of you guys wanted me to do a tutorial on how I curl my hair, but this is basically it, y'all. Just, you know, twirling it or whatever. I'm gonna speed most of these parts up, show you guys how I do it in these clips. But yeah, it's pretty simple. Just spraying it with some hairspray after. I use the Dove hairspray, y'all. It smells really good. I didn't even know Dove made hairspray. But yeah, I'm just going to be spraying my hair, brushing out the next section now, and keep doing the same thing I did. So I'm just going to speed this part up and get to you guys when I finish up the other section and show you guys how I do the parts of my bangs. Mind you guys, I haven't done my edges yet because I will be doing those after I do my makeup. I like to do the base of my hair first and then put it in like a little headband wrap that I always wear. You guys know, you'll see it, and then I do my edges after. So I don't really show you guys how I do my edges in this video just because I kind of wanted to show you all how I curl it. But if you guys want a video on how I do my edges and whatnot, just let me know. But keep that in mind that my edges will be done when the whole video is done. Alright, so this side is basically finished. I'm just going to give it a one more last spray and move on to the next side. Now for this part, I just showed you guys how I do my bangs. So I'm doing the same thing, but I'm mostly going towards the end of the hair because I don't want to take the heat all the way up to the root because my bangs won't flow correctly. So I like to take it towards the end and then spraying it all at once, just making sure it stays in place. And yeah, you guys, that's basically it for the hair. Again, I will be doing my edges later. So I know they look ratchet right now, but later they will be on fleek. So don't even worry, sis. So now onto the makeup portion for this video. I'm going to be taking my Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer and just putting this all over my face to prime. Then I'm taking the Benefit Professional and putting that in my areas of my T-zone just so I don't look oily throughout the day. Then I'm taking my Fenty Beauty foundations in the shade 390 and 370, just mixing them together to get a good shade for me and applying those on. And to apply them, I'm using my favorite brush. I love the Sigma F80 Kabuki brush. You guys know I have a code with Sigma. It'll be on the screen and in the down bar below if you guys want to save some coins on their website. I literally do not even use beauty blenders anymore to blend my foundation. Like, it's so time consuming, but with this brush, it looks so flawless and it takes zero time. And now onto the concealer, I'm taking the Too Faced concealer and also the Cover FX one, putting on the Too Faced one first just to give me a really hydrated full coverage look, and then the Cover FX one I'm going to be putting on next just so it gives me a little bit of a brighter, more snatched look. Now for powder, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder and the RCMA No Color powder. I just mix the two together just to get a really good shade for me, so I'm just going to be setting my concealer with that. Then for my all over setting powder for my face, I'm taking the Laura Mercier Deep powder, the medium deep one, just to set the rest of my face and give me a really smooth finish. To bronze up, I'm taking the Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I love this one, y'all. It gets me snatched, so I'm going to be taking that and bronzing up with this. To contour, I'm taking the Anastasia bronzer. This one really snatches me up, y'all. I don't really use this that often, but when I want to look really snatched, or if I'm going out or on a date or whatever, I use this just to contour up. But yeah, I'm going to be also contouring and bronzing up my nose as well. For blush, I'm taking MAC's Copper Tone. This is a really pretty pinky peach shade, so I'm just going to put it on my cheekbones as if it were bronzer and kind of blend it in with my bronzer, and then a little bit on my nose and just certain areas that I want to, stand out a little bit more. Then I'm just going to be cutting my cheekbones and the sides of my nose with that same powder I used to set underneath my eyes. And for eyeshadow, I made the look really simple and easy for y'all. I'm taking my MAC palette that I made just with a lot of MAC shadows and stuff in it, custom. So I'm taking first Saddle and putting that in my crease, and then going back into the palette, I'm going to take Swiss Chocolate and put that on the outer parts of my crease. I wanted to make this look super easy for those who, may not have that much time to get ready on V-Day or don't want to do too much and just want to have a simple look. So this look is for you, sis. And I'm also taking it down below on the lower lash line as well. Then for my lid, I'm taking the Laura Geller Gilded Honey highlighter. I didn't want to use a shimmery eyeshadow. I wanted to use something that I was going to use on my face just so it can kind of match my whole look. So I'm just going to take this and put it on my lid. I'm not cutting the crease or anything crazy, just putting it on there how it is. Then just taking a blending brush and blending out the edges. Now I'm just going to wipe away my bake and spray my face with some Mario Badescu spray so I don't look powdery or dry. And for liner, I'm taking the NYX Matte Black Liner. Y'all know how I roll with this one. I'm just putting a small line on the top of my lash line. Then for mascara, I'm taking the Bad Gal Bang from Benefit. This stuff is so good, y'all. So good. for eyeliner, I'm taking two. First, I'm taking the Perversion liner from Urban Decay for my tight line, and then for my waterline, I'm taking the NARS Bonaparte liner. These are both really pigmented and last a long time. And for lashes, I'm taking the Wink Life Cosmetic lashes in the style Rebel. I have a code with them. It will be down below. For highlighter, I'm taking the same one we used on my lid, so I'm taking the Laura Geller Gilded Honey and just putting that in all the places I highlight. Y'all know the drill. Then to top it off, I'm taking the La Peach highlighter from, this is Artist Couture and Jackie Aina. So I'm going to take that and top it off with that. For lips, I'm going to be taking my NYX lip liner. This is the Slide On Glide On lip liners, and I'm going to be putting that one on my lips, just lining them, overlining them just a tad bit since it is a red and I want it to stand out. So I'm just going to be doing that. Then I'm taking my Anastasia liquid lipstick and putting that on. All the shades will be down below in the down bar. Then I'm taking my red liquid lipstick from MAC and just putting it in the center since it was a little bit lighter. I kind of wanted to ombre it. Then I'm taking my NYX lip liner in the shade, this is Burgundy. I wanted to deepen it up a bit, so I'm taking that on the outer edges. And I'm putting a little bit of translucent powder on top just so it lasts all day and stays matte. Then I'm taking my Morphe setting spray and my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, and the look is complete. Now on to the outfit, sis, because we cannot be looking, you know, not put together on V-Day, period. Alright guys, this is the end of my get ready with me for Valentine's Day. I really wanted to do a simple look that anyone can do, especially for last minute. I threw in a really inexpensive clothing option, how to do your hair, and a really cute and simple makeup look. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys do end up recreating this look last minute and you know you got some inspiration from this video, let me know, tweet me, DM me, snap me, anything so I can make sure that I helped you guys out, you know, in any way. Before you guys leave this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that bell notification button to be notified every time your girl posts a new video. Also follow me on all my social media sites. They will be linked down below in the down bar, as well as the end card of this video. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, I told you I'm judging you. You know. You know. I hope you guys have a fun, happy, and safe Valentine's Day. Make sure you guys spend it with the ones you love the most. Even if you don't have a significant other, spend it with your friends, your family, or even pampering yourself at home. Anything that makes you happy, just do it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Alright, bye guys.